Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay my loves, so I want to show you guys a little quick video. It's going to be like super quick, super fast, but I wanted to show you guys my little section where I have all my Halloween goodies that we're going to be working with for the Halloween series. I know I'm super early this year. I am so excited. I went into Michael's like 2 weeks ago. I saw that they had the stuff for Halloween out and I was like, okay, now I'm like inspired. So I started bringing everything down that was Halloween related, and I kind of set up my little setup right here. I love it. Every year I do something different when it comes to like setting up my Halloween section. This year I bought this like little 3-shelf down from the attic, and that at least helps me with some storage. It's not that big, so I can always, you know, maneuver around it. I'm probably going to use the same thing for Christmas. But I have here everything that I need. I just love it. I'm so excited. I bought this 3-drawer little thing at the thrift shop, and it has been so convenient. I have all my like stickers in here that I love the most. Just like all these like stickers that that I haven't worked with, that are left over from last year. In this one I have like a lot of sequins, a lot of little, you know, confetti, and just other little stuff that we can do. And then down here we have all the wood veneers and all that wonderful deliciousness. In that corner over there, you see that corner right there? On the top I have all the papers and all the fabric for Halloween. So yeah, and then I have, you know, the typical Halloween little goodies that you can work with. I'm loving this spray. I am like loving this spray this year. I'm spraying everything with this. I know this is like this was like such a crazy like thing a few years ago, and like nobody ever talks about it anymore, but I still love my Heidi sprays. I love them. So I brought this one down. This one is called Peach, and I'm going to show you in a few minutes what I did with this, okay? So everything is here. These little ramekits I got at Michael's last year. You guys probably remember these. I love them, right? They're so cute. Then I have my ribbons down here, which are the ones that we're going to be using for our Halloween series. Some washi tape over there. Then I got these 3 containers that I love. I get these containers. These containers are actually, see that? They're actually the puffy candies. My husband loves these candies, and he's always getting them, and I never throw out the container because they're so awesome to store stuff. So I have a whole bunch of these containers, and so I store like my threads and my googly eyes. A lot of my Halloween baggies are back here for projects. And then on this one I have it empty because we're going to be obviously adding stuff in there. And then my ribbons that I took out, and then my cupcake liners that I have here. At the bottom of the shelf I have my 2 iris containers that are full of Halloween stuff. Literally, I do not need any more Halloween things. I am praying to God that Michael has the ugliest, horrifying collection for Halloween this year, because I do not need to get any more Halloween stuff. But I'm pretty sure that they're going to come up with like awesome things, so I'm probably going to be in trouble, but we'll see. Then over here I have this little container that I absolutely love, which they don't have anymore. They don't sell this anymore, but I like this container, and I have it empty because I'm going to put all the finished embellishments that we create together in here. And then I have my little thing back here, and this little, and then over here in the bottom it's really nothing. This is just basically all my tools that I use for crafting. All my scissors, all my punches. Back there are all my tools, my confetti. And then this beautiful gorgeousness right here is something that I got today at the thrift shop. I bought it for the office. It's so cute. It's gonna be perfect for Halloween, and the perfect thing about it is that it lights up, so I love it. So cute. Okay, and that's And that's a little basket full of stuff from last year that I'm working with. So we are really in a good place right now for Halloween stuff. My kitchen table is a mess. This is my kitchen table right now. These are all the projects that I'm laying down, that I'm starting to work with. I am just finished doing another project. Let me cover the camera because I'm going to move you to the opposite side, and I don't want to blind you or keep you dizzy. Okay, so hold on 1 second. Okay, on the back of where I have all my stuff, I have this wall right here, and I have this new thing that I just started doing. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this whole beautifulness going on right here. So my thing is, behind this is, I wanted to keep myself super organized. I felt like last year I did not do a lot of videos for you guys. I really ran out of time. I was really busy at work and just wasn't really handling time wise really well. Hold on, let me open the door for my cat to go. You wanna go out, Lily? Okay. So I felt like I was really like not really doing good with all my like Christmas and Halloween series. So this year I wanted to get myself a little organized, and I decided to make myself a really awesome thing, which is this right here. This is like a thumb, what is it, thumb board? It's a board, and I have all these tags that I created. I have 31 tags, and what I did was I am planning to actually add all the projects that we're going to do for the Halloween series in here. So anything that I'm planning to do for you guys is gonna go on these tags. The numbers kind of like, I mean, they may not go in order, but the numbers will be kind of like the days. So like for a series, day 1, day 2, day 3. I love the idea. It keeps me organized. Again, I already have tons of ideas, so I can just put the ideas together, glue it down to my tag, and then when I'm ready to do a DIY project for you guys, I already know what to do. I don't have to go crazy. So I just love this idea. I'm doing the same thing for Christmas because this is just something that it keeps you organized, and I just love it. The tags are fabulous. Again, I told you, I'm going nuts using this spray. I just spray these tags, let them air out for like 10 minutes, and that's it. That's all I did. I didn't do anything with it, but it looks so beautiful. Don't they look beautiful? It looks like I literally bought these tags from like a store. I loved it. So the numbers that I use are these numbers from Recollection. I got these at Michael's. Actually, I bought these recently because Michael has their stickers 50% off. I have to get more because I only got 2 of these, and I still need like a number here. I need the number 2, which is the only one I need, which is ridiculous, but that's okay because they're 50% off, so I don't mind. Plus I need some numbers for Christmas, so I might just pick up a whole bunch of these. And yeah, and so I numbered, you know, coordinate them with numbers, and I think it's going to be an awesome idea. I love it. And yeah, so this is perfect for someone who maybe is like wants to, I don't know, in advance do your crafting stuff. This is a great idea to do. Again, I'm planning on doing the same thing for Christmas because it just makes sense. And then in this corner over here, I just have more stuff. I know this is definitely nothing to do with like Halloween related. These are just things that I normally go to every day and I gravitate towards every day. I just have like these 2 little carts that I got at Michael's, and I just have a whole bunch of stuff in here that I do like projects for like every day really. My mom's dog barking. And in this corner I have some projects that I want to work with you guys. I have the 3 iris containers on there, and one of them is for the mermaid haul that I did not too long ago. This one, these like lemon stuff here, is a project that I want to work with you guys soon. And another project that I have going on here, which I'm not going to talk about because I'm excited about that, but that's going to come soon. That's basically it, loves. I hope you guys enjoy my little tour of my kitchen. It's very like, I'm super excited about Halloween this year. I can't wait. I am really anxious to start my Halloween project, and I will probably do that for you guys in another, I don't know, few days. Okay, my loves, thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you hit the subscription button. I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. Please be safe out there. If you guys want more information on how I created these tags, let me know, and I'll maybe do like a DIY project with you guys on it. It is so simple. It took me like literally, I would say like 4 minutes to do these tags. 4 minutes. I'm not even kidding you. All right, my loves. I'll see you guys soon. Have a fantastic weekend. Love you all. Please be safe out there, and I will catch you on my next video.